Hey tech fans, today I've got an exciting leak for you about the upcoming Google Pixel 9a. Buckle up, because this one's packed with juicy details. First off, the Pixel 9a is expected to drop in March 2025, with a price tag of $499, same as the Pixel 8a. But hold on, there's a lot more under the hood. The display is growing from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, making it almost the same size as the Pixel 9. We're talking a 120 Hz AMOLED panel here, although it can only drop to 60 Hz on demand. No LTPO backplane hardware, so no true variable refresh rates. Battery life? Expect a 13% larger battery, topping out at 5,000 mAh, but it charges at just 7.5 W wirelessly or 18 W with a wired connection. So, not the fastest charging speeds out there. Under the hood, it's powered by the Tensor G4 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM, and you'll have options for either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. Performance-wise, this should be a solid mid-ranger. Camera enthusiasts, you're not left out. The Pixel 9a is rumored to feature a new 48MP primary camera. Plus, it retains the same 13MP front-facing and ultra-wide-angle cameras from the Pixel 8a. All these upgrades suggest that Google is aiming to make the Pixel 9a a strong contender in the mid-range market. March 2025 can't come soon enough, right? That's all for now. If you're excited about the Pixel 9a or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech leaks and reviews. Catch you in the next one. Tech Devil Watermark.